Okay, so tell me how you injured your clavicle.
So I was working out, doing heavy weight, and I just heard a pop, and it just came out, and I didn't even notice it, and until somebody else told me that they noticed that this one felt or looked out of place.
How long has it been out of place?
I'd say at least 7 years.
7 years? Been dealing with it for 7 years now, huh?
Dealing with it for 7 years.
If you notice, this right there is just popping out, and over here, there's no issues. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and lie down on your back. Okay, this might be a little bit uncomfortable, but I want to work on the muscles around it and the ligaments. How's that?
It's fine.
Great. Alright, look that way. So we're gonna go where the clavicle meets the sternum. Put the hand there and
Oh, I felt it.
do it one more time. One more time. Oh, can hardly point it out. Look straight now. How does that feel?
Great.
So you see, point over there. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels great now. I felt it go in.
Okay. Now with yours, you need to be careful because it'll pop out. So we need to do this a few times. So also next time we'll go ahead and tape it.
Okay.
Okay, we'll tape it as well as show you some exercises for you to be able to keep it in place. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Alrighty.